Think of this way, your phone start hanging, you tap, nothing happens, you try again, still nothing works. You are switching between the apps and everything feels slow. In that moment, you know what you need to do. You just take a pause, close everything, and you know that your system just needs a reset or a restart because your system is overloaded. In life, when things feel exactly like that, slow, stuck, overloaded, we do exact opposite. We try to think more, we push more, we try to fix everything on the same time, and honestly it makes things worse. So instead of trying and doing again and again, that moment we just want a reset or restart. So whenever I feel off, I just follow this restart program. So let me share you how you can restart your life. The very first thing I do is just pause. No quitting, no skipping, just pausing. Think of this way, you are driving a car and suddenly you felt like your car engine is overheating. At that moment, what do you do? Do you accelerate it more or do you just stop the car, wait to cool down the engine, or you take a pause, right? We take a pause at that moment because we know that if we accelerate more, it's going to damage the engine. Exactly, the same thing happen in life when our system is overheating, when our system is over analyzing. At that moment, we just need to take a pause instead of pushing it harder and harder. So what I do is I just simply take a pause. I don't do anything. Means not trying to figure out, not even thinking about this. I just rest it, or maybe I just go and walk into the nature if I felt like that way. Otherwise, I just lie down and take a rest, and that's work for me. But sometimes it looks so hard to take rest because that moment our mind is constantly overthinking. It feels so overwhelmed and feels like, I want to do it right now. And that moment your nervous system runs in survival mode, and it feels like something is wrong, and it pushes us to think more, react more, try to control everything. In that moment, the one thing that I do is I relax my nervous system. I just say that you can take rest, you are safe, and I can think about this later. And the moment I do it, my nervous system go into the relax mode. I can take a pause at that moment, and slowly the body relax, my mind slow down, and things start becoming very very clear. So first thing we can do is to restart our program is to just take a pause, do nothing. And the moment you take a pause, something interesting happens in our body. Our nervous system just get relaxed and the internal noise starts settling in. And we can actually see what is going on. And the most important thing is I can bring my attention back to myself at that moment instead of worrying and over analyzing. Because most of the time, we don't have energy to create, to think, to see clearly because our attention is scattered at that moment. So I ask myself, where is my energy going? So you can ask what I am thinking, feeling, and doing right now, which is not helping me. So when our attention is divided, we switch between from one thought to another thought, one emotion to another emotions, from one thing to another thing, and that consume a lot of energy. And so even if you are not doing anything physically, mentally you are exhausted. So stop feeding what is not needed, not forcefully, just consciously. When you take a pause and when your attention comes back, we have the clarity to see clearly what do you really, really want right now. So for example, if someone wants to lose 20 kg weight and transform their life, and he start planning, from tomorrow I'm going to wake up at 4 a.m, I'll go for gym and I'll go for running, we'll have a healthy food, healthy diet plan, and we'll sleep early. And that moment you start with so much and your mind do not accept it, and that's why you're not able to make and follow this plan more than 3 to 5 days, because there is a huge gap between who you are and what you are thinking. So your mind start resist, you feel overwhelmed for it is, and it is hard to take action because it feels so far. So instead of this, break it down. What you can do it right now is on think, okay, from tomorrow I will go for walk for 20 minutes and reduce the quantity of my meals, and it feels like doable. And you can do this continuously because your nervous system accepted it. It feels comfortable to your nervous system. So the moment something feels too big for your nervous system, our brain resists it, avoid it. So start with one small action. So ask that what one small action you can take today. When you start taking this action continuously, it's not about taking the actions anymore. It is about who you are becoming. And that's where the real shift begins. So think of this way, when an actor gets a role in a movie, what he do? They start behaving exactly like the character. They dress like that character. They talk like that character. They walk like that character. Even the off camera, they stay in that identity because they know if they don't become that person, they cannot play the role. So same thing happen in the real life. If you want to achieve something in your life, start act like the person who already achieved it. Behave like that person who already achieved that goal. Dress like that person who already achieved that goal. If the person wants to lose 20 kg and transform their life, how does this person behave? How does that person talk like? How does that person walk like? How does that person look like? So act like that you already achieved that. And you know what, it is so easy for us because we are already doing in this life. At home we become one version, and when we go in public and outside we become another version. So our brain know the difference how to act and behave. So this is nothing new for our brain. So we are just choosing it consciously now. That this is nothing new. We are just consciously choosing right now. So the moment you start doing it, your brain get new signals. And this is, he felt like, this is who am I now? And slowly your behavior is going to change. Your identity gonna shift. And that moment for you to take action become very, very easy. So ask yourself, how would that version of me look like, and how would that version of me feel like? You take a pause, bring your awareness back, and get the clarity what do you really want, and start taking one step towards your goal, and you act like the identity who already achieve it. At that moment your brain get hardwired. It will be so easy for you to achieve that goal, to restart your life. Sometimes it happens that your environment, your outside environment do not support it. What I mean by environment, if that person wants to lose 20 kg, what he gonna do? He keep healthy food around. They surround themselves with the people who are already into the fitness and start watching the video related to the fitness. Because if they don't do it, there are chances to follow. Create your environment which reinforce your identity, because willpower is not going to last. Environment decide your consistency. If you set your environment like that, it will motivate you, it will pushes you to take that action, to become that identity. So we create that environment which naturally supports the change. So look at your daily life and ask, whatever I'm thinking, feeling and doing, does that support me towards my goal or pulling me? So add whatever supports you and reduce what doesn't. And the last thing is repetition. Constantly repeat this behavior and action. Every time you repeat something, your brain create a strong neural connection and it becomes so natural to you. You know, that moment you don't feel resist. So it become your identity. So repeat the action and behavior what you have decided. So when you combine all this thing, you take a pause and put your awareness back to yourself and create a small action which is doable, and start doing and act like that identity which is already achieved that goal, and create the environment which support to that action, which support to that goal and identity. Repeat that action, and that moment you actually become that identity. And this is the way you can restart yourself. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a reset. You just need a restart, and you already know how to do it.